is a statement of BSP. The country's gross international reserves, or GIR, including gold, are held and managed solely by the BSP for the foreign exchange requirements of the country. When BSP sells gold, the proceeds revert to and stay within the GIR. Last year, GIR rose to $106.3 billion from $103.8 in 2023. Similar to other central banks, BSP maintains a portion of its reserves in gold as part of the country's GIR, mostly to hedge against offset movements in the market price of other assets. It buys or sells gold to maintain an optimum level for this purpose. Not too big, not too small. Gold prices tend to move in the opposite direction of other assets. Therefore, central banks hold some gold as a hedge against huge declines in other assets in the reserves. However, gold prices can be volatile, earns little interest, and has storage costs. So central banks don't want to hold too much. So yan po ang statement ng BSP. At handa na po tayong sumagot sa inyong mga katanungan.
We're now opening floors for questions from our Malacanang media friends. First question, Maricel Halili, News 5.
Ma'am, so just a clarification. So ibig sabihin, hands-off si Presidente doon sa gold reserves kasi PRRD mentioned or is accusing the Marcos family of stealing and selling the country's gold. Just so it's clear.
Okay. Hindi pa to campaign joke ulit ni dating Pangulong Duterte? Hindi ba tayo nasanay dun sa jet ski promise niya? Na nung naniwala tayo halos sa mga sumuporta sa kanya, tinawag tayong stupid. So pag naniwala ba tayo ulit sa sinasabi niyang ito, baka mapagkamalan niya tayo ulit at tawagin tayong stupid. But anyway, we will take this seriously para naman hindi magkaroon ng fake news, lalo na doon sa mga taong nakikinig sa kanya at maaaring naniniwala pa. Itong issue na to, October 2024, nasagot na ito. Ang nagtataka lang ako, bakit paulit-ulit na binibring up ni dating Pangulong Duterte? Wala ba siya mga economic experts na magsasabi sa kanya kung ano ba talaga ang regular activities ng BSP? Ayon sa BSP, ang pagbebenta ng gold is just a regular activity. How? Why? To pump up the economy. Even at the time of former President Duterte, trabaho na ito ng BSP. Hindi niya ba alam iyon? Okay, now, sinabi nga dito, ang pagbebenta ng gold, kung mataas ang presyo, dapat ibenta. Sinabi din ng BSP, hindi pwede silang mag-hold that much of a gold. Okay, now, ang nagtataka lang tayo, bakit hindi ito alam ng dating Pangulo? Siguro bago siya magbigay ng ganitong klaseng intriga, mapapansin nyo sa kanya mga statements, hindi naman detailed. Anong proof niya? Again, as a lawyer. He is a lawyer. He became a fiscal. Alam niya kung paano magkuha ng ebidensya, no? To get the truth. Bakit sa kanya parang wala siyang ebidensya? Laging paintriga. All we want here is evidence. Ipakita niya kung si PBBM o ang Pangulo ang nag-utos para magbenta ng gold reserves. Samantalang sinabi rin ng BSP, solely and manage ito. No? Solely managed by the BSP. So paano magkakaroon dito ng hand or pakikialam ang Pangulo?